Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Benailed. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are unboxing this beautiful Kiara Sky e-file. I'm so excited. I have waited for this drill since I started doing nails. Just give it this because it couldn't fit in. So you have a little tag here. Oh my god, are you ready? Ooh, here we come. Sorry for the... Ooh, look at that close up. That is the sickest. I am so... Oh my god, here we go. Let's just take a minute to look at the packaging though. How unique is that? Like, seriously. You just slide it out and then lift this part up once it's right out, and then you're ready to go. So I'll put you back in your holster now, and then we can take all the bits out. So I'll be back in just a tick. Okay, now you're up there mounted. Let's take this out. Oof, here we go. She's beautiful. Of course, you've got your instructions. Okay. Let's just take everything out for now with the handpiece. Bubble wrap. Oh, that's good that it's a long handpiece. And then we have, I guess, the wedge which you sit it on together. That's what that is. And then the thing that clips onto the side of the e-file. And then we also have the little drill part, pen, the holder, and two little drill bits. Sorry for that. That was my dad who was knocking on the door. Bang, bang, bang. So I was saying that you get two e-bits. One is the mandrel bit, which you put your sanding bands on, and it has the beautiful crystal. Can you see that? So pretty. Sorry if you can hear the cars outside. They're being very rude. So that's that. Just put that there for a minute. And then we have the large barrel fine coated diamond top bit. So that's what this is. And I really love how they have this like crystal on the top. It is so pretty, and it really does make a difference. It makes you want to like use them. They're so beautiful. But yeah, that's the fine grit, and it's very, very fine actually. It's very beautiful, and I cannot wait to use this beautiful piece of machinery that I have before me. However, lucky I have the connection for this because I live in Australia and this is obviously an American drill part. So, but she is fully charged up. Let's have a look. Wonder why it doesn't flicker. Oh, there we go. Let's see how loud she can go. I'll take the handpiece out of the plastic because we don't want that to... And that's how you unlock it. You can throw this piece away, but I like to keep them for when you haven't got a piece in here, which is very rare because you'll usually keep your mandrel bit in, especially I do because I only do my own nails, so I usually leave my mandrel bit in here, or I will put this in here just to make sure the dust stays out, and then I will turn it and lock it. So I can choose to have my drill sit here, which is perfect for me because I am right-handed, and then I can just sit here and go and it not get in my way, which is perfect, and I absolutely love it. And I really, really am so happy I brought this. And it was a lot of money because of the difference. Here in Australia, it's $1,000 from the Kiara Sky store. And if you purchase it from the American website, it's $349 US, which comes to, I think, $700-800. So it was a very expensive nail buy for me, but I do believe that it'll be worth it. I believe that I will get a lot of great nail sets out of this, and it does come with a 12-month warranty, so if anything goes wrong, they will fix it, which is, you know, something that of course you would hope that they would do for that amount of money. Even if it wasn't, the $349 is still a lot of money as well. So however you put it, it's nice to know that you're covered with your warranty. So with that being that, I will now put that away, and I will show you one other little sneak peek at something I got. It's another Kiara Sky product. You know, as if it wouldn't be. But it's to go with the e-file. So, I'll give 2 seconds and I will grab it. It is, anyone's talking about this, they're talking about these new beautiful tiny little the mini mandrel bits, and I also got myself a few other, I think, very important e-bits. I got, so for starters, we will go to this. This is the under nail cleaner, and it's medium rose gold color, and the grit is medium, and this cleans underneath the nail, like when you have your acrylic there and you want to clean underneath it, this is the bit you go for. So there we go, just to let you see. Okay, so we'll put that back there for now. And then we have the safety removal fine bit. So this is to obviously remove product, as it says. It is a safety bit as well though, and it has the Kiara Sky written right there, if you can see it. Please focus. That's so cool. It's the little things that matter, you know. I know it might be silly, but I like those little touches. And I also got the tiny brand new small mandrel bit, and this does not have a little diamond in it, but that's okay. Can you see how small that is to my finger? Like, seriously? Now look at these bands. I got the 3 different grits. I got fine in white, and I also got coarse in white, because that would be easy to distinguish, and then I got medium grit in black. And just to let you see how tiny this is, they are so small. Come on, open up. Look at these. Like, if you look at this in comparison to my hand, look how small that is. It's tiny. It's so small. Like, look. here we go. So you would be going, and then, bum, 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 bum. Look how small it is, seriously. Look, my whole nail, and I have small nail beds, but it fits my whole nail bed. That is so good. Oh my God, you're gonna be, this is revolutionary. I mean, no wonder why everyone's catching on to these. These are amazing. Definitely get yourself one of these bits, that's for sure. So that is my Kiara Sky e-file unboxing, and I hope you liked it. If there's any of these products that you would like, they will be listed down in the description box. But just know that this is a beautiful, beautiful e-file, and I am really happy to have it. And I just want to say, spirit fingers!